Hi foodies, this is the third video of today and this one is the cake. So I'm going to follow the instructions as it's on the back. But the only thing is, I'm not going to cook this in my mini oven because there's something wrong with it. So, and I don't have a dish that's large enough to go in the air fryer that's cake shaped. So I'm going to do it in this Pyrex dish here, which I've already greased with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to cook it in the microwave. So I'm hoping this turns out. So open the box. Now there's your cake mixture. And it says I need 120 grams of melted butter and 230 grams of milk and 3 eggs. Okay, so I have everything ready. So now, first thing is to put the cake mix in here. Then we add the melted butter. The 3 eggs. And then the milk. And we're just going to whisk all that in. Make sure you get it all off the sides. All the lumps out. Once that's done, I'm going to put it into my Pyrex dish, and I'm going to be doing it in the microwave, and I'm going to be checking it every 5 minutes. So I'll let you know how long this actually takes. Why is there always one lump? Now I'm going to get that into my Pyrex dish and then I'm going to put it in the microwave. And as you can see, I've just brought the cake out. Now I'm going to have to tidy it up as I'm taking it out like that, but I'm going to let that cool down. I'm not going to mess with it. And I've just stuck a probe in it and it's fully cooked. And it took 10 minutes, believe it or not. Now in hindsight I should have done half mixture and then half mixture, but I've never done it in the microwave. So yeah, let that fully cool down and then I will ice it and then I'll show you the final result. So I got my cake out, not a bad job. All I had to do was put a knife around it and it came flying out. So next I'm going to be using this instant chocolate, indulgent chocolate fudge icing, and I'm not going to spread any. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and I'm going to pour it over. So as you can see, I've already started icing the cake. Now what we'll do is let that set, and that's the cake done. So if you like the content, please give it a like, please consider subscribing, click the notification bell for new uploads, and leave a comment in the comment box. Bye for now, foodies.